Welcome to another video on how to update your payment methods on Shein. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So to update your payment method on Shein, first visit the Shein website, go to www.shein.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on Sign In or Join button. Once you're logged in, hover over your account icon at the bottom right corner of the page, and once you're on the profile page, look for Payment Method or Payment Settings option. Well, since the shipment has been prohibited from my country, there's no add payment method or payment settings on my profile, as currently Shein only does shipping on limited countries. So if your country is enlisted in one of those countries where it is still shipping, then you can go ahead and try this method. You'll be able to find add a new payment method option. Just tap on it and you'll be redirected to the payment methods page where you can manage your saved payment method. To add a new payment method, click on add a new card or add a new payment method button, depending on the options available. After that, a form will appear where you can enter the details of your new payment method. Fill in the required information including the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and security code. Also, if you're adding an alternative payment method like PayPal or Apple Pay, you may need to follow the specific instructions provided by Shein to link your account. After entering the necessary information, click on the Save or Add button to add the new payment method. In the same way, if you want to delete or edit an existing payment method, locate the payment method you wish to modify on the payment methods page. You can see options such as delete or edit next to each saved payment method. Click on the appropriate option to make the desired changes. So by following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Shein. It's important to keep your payment information up to date to ensure smooth transactions and a seamless shopping experience. So go ahead and try these methods. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.